morning! We are going somewhere.
It's called Party in the USA.
Party in the USA. I hopped off the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of princess. Am I gonna jump to the captain for the first time? To my right and who's that? Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. Alright, we're in some wooded area and we are about to go hiking as a family. Bless you! So, as we set up, and then we will start this hike. We got the kids, everybody's gearing up. We about to do this! We're at the top of the waterfall, and this is freaking awesome. We don't get this very often in Texas, where I'm living in Houston. But it's nice to drive off and go somewhere else and experience this stuff. So we just got done with the waterfalls, or the waterfall mini haha, something like that. I don't know what it's called. That was fun. Was it fun, Faye? Did you have fun? Yeah. Did you have fun falling? No. We slipped on the rocks and got wet. She got wet, at least. Ugh.
I don't like the slippery.
Worst life ever.
No.
My life is completely over. I can't even.
Nope.
I literally can't.
Nope. So
we're hiking back to the van, and I don't know what we're doing after this, but spent a good hour here, hour and a half or so. Climbed to the top, went back to the bottom, slipped, got wet a little bit, chased some butterflies. Yeah, nature. Freaking great, and I almost fell. 5, 6, 7, and I love you, I love you, I love you, and where you go, I'll follow, I'll follow, I'll follow. You'll always be my true love, my true love, my true love. My chula? My chula, my chula. You'll be my chula. Hiking the gorge is what it's called. Yeah. Just gonna look at some scenic views, walk up this trail, and oh, we're gonna see a waterfall too. Ty, another waterfall. Awesome. Man, Georgia's like freaking better than Houston right now. I think I might need to like make a new move. Mom, I love you. If you're watching this,
I'm sorry.
if you're watching this, we're doing fine, honestly. Ah, it's shaking though. It is shaking.
Oh my god, hurry up,
Move, move. I know, we didn't get to hike the whole thing, but we still made it to see this view. Ain't she pretty? Ain't she pretty, y'all? All the way, you can do it! Hey! 2. Oh God! Walking back up these stairs is the worst! The worst! I can't even, like, I can't breath. Chicken at breath. Waterfall. I'm not gonna push my luck to go further because I already slid. But we made it! Yes! Feels fucking awesome! Alright mates, we made it through the jungle. We made it through the woods. We got to see the beautiful waterfall right there actually. And Now we are going to accompany the family for a snapshot photograph. And this is a very terrible Australian accent. But
It's like mixed with British.
it's mixed with British. And maybe I'm a mixed breed, I don't know. It's just terrible.